EMnify integrates with Zapier so that all of your cross-platform tasks can be automated without involving your development team. And there is a lot that can be done with this. With Zapier, you can integrate EMnify with over 3,000 other applications. Applications like CRM systems, sales platforms like WooCommerce and Shopify, even email automation tools. By leveraging the Zapier integration, you can easily create a QR code which will automatically provision your IoT devices. It will even add them to the EMnify system so that you don't have to regularly interact with the EMnify portal. It's also easy to connect EMnify with your CRM system, so that when you sell a device, it's automatically added to the EMnify system, including details specific to the customer you sold it to. Communication can also go in the other direction. For example, if a customer's device has reached its usage limit, it can add a task to the CRM system, helping the customer success team reach out to that customer and see what's going on, and perhaps help them increase their usage limit. There are so many different things that can be done with Zapier that I couldn't fit them all into one video. But you can check out our Zapier tutorials playlist on YouTube to discover more about how EMnify's integration with Zapier can help you.